For calculation of coefficient of self-inductance, we take help of the relation which was originally that phi is equal to L into I, where L was coefficient of self-inductance and the flux depends upon the current. We have a coil here. The specification of the coils are that there are n turns per unit length, n turns per unit length, n total turns, L length. So what is the relation? N upon L is equal to N, or N is equal to NL. Okay, now here the current flowing is I. If I is the current flowing here, then a magnetic field is produced. Magnetic field produced, B is equal to mu naught Ni. This is the magnetic field produced in the coil. This magnetic field produced here, and this coil has got a cross section area equal to A. Area. We can say the radius is R, but the area is A. We know that area A is equal to pi r square. Okay. Now, what will be the flux linked with one coil? With one turn, the flux linkage is magnetic field B multiplied by area. This is one turn. Flux linked with all turns. How many are the all turns? Answer this, capital N. The flux linked will be, multiply this with N. So this is mu N I A multiplied by N, and if I convert this N into small n, then this will become mu naught N square I A. Yes. Okay. This N is equal to small n into L, one small n multiplied with this N square I A, and there will be one L length. Okay, this is total flux linked with this coil. Therefore, from there, what is the calculation of L? Is flux divided by I, and flux is mu naught N square I A L. This is to be divided by I. Here I is cancelled, and what we get here is mu naught N square A into L. This is, what is this L? This L is length. And what is this L? This is coefficient of self-inductance. Okay, we could not find any other symbol for this. So we have to do with this, and we must remember that this is coefficient of self-inductance and this is length. This is one we found. If we convert it into capital L, then this inductance is equal to mu naught N square A upon L, because this small n is equal to n upon L. So this will be n square upon L square, one L will be cancelled, and this will be the term. Mostly we are using this term. But both are correct. Inductance is equal to this. So this is expression of self coefficient. So self coefficient mainly depend upon what? Turn density and area. Larger is the coil, more is the self inductance, and if the number density is doubled, the self inductance increase 4 times. So this is importance of it, and you should remember this is the formula for self inductance. In the next lecture we will have a similar formula, and which is more useful than this, and that is mutual inductance. So that we will do in the next lecture.